Yes, welcome back, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment, where we react and review classic foundational reggae dancehall music, and then we dibble and dabble into some R&B and soul, because we're not cool, right? Okay, so we're going to continue with the Pinchers tribute. This one is entitled Take Some Time. This is one of my personal favorites. This is a tune that I sometimes go for when I'm going through that mood when I feel like there's no such thing as friends, and especially these days, a lot of times, you realize that you really don't have a lot of real friends in your corner, a lot of these days people just, some of those people who say they're your friends, they watch you all day on Facebook and social media, but they don't give you a call. They don't know what's going on in your day-to-day life, and they really don't care, right? So this song is a very relatable song because nowadays, in these testing days and time, there's not a lot of real friends, okay? Yeah, just reality. So here we go, talking about the abnormality. Take it away, Pinchers.
I gotta take some time, boy. I gotta take some time, hey. Listen to my friend, let me say. Take some time to know my friends. They have to take some time, hey. Oh yeah, take some time to know my friends. I have to take some time, boy. Oh yeah, when I have money, oh yeah, places I'll ever see. When my money is done, oh no, my friends are not with me. Let me take some time to know my friends. Let me take some time, ooh, take some time to know my friends. Let me take some time, they call now. Those that I call my friend, oh yeah, say that they're genuine. I would have never known, oh no, there was in she clothes. Let me take some time to know my friend. Let me take some time, can't miss that same time. Take some time to know your friends. I gotta take some time, yeah. I gotta take some time. Gotta take some time.
Take some time to know your friends, okay? Take some time to know your friends. Watch the actions, watch the move, watch the energy, watch the vibe. Be very aware of who you call your friends. Because my mother would say, friend not there, right? So take some time to know your friends, my people. It's reality.
Oh yeah, you gotta take some time. Oh yeah, to know your friend. For me, you dig a pit, oh yeah, dig one just for yourself. Things that you wish from me every time may happen to yourself now. My grandma always say, I must be skeptical, so cause we are living in this time, which is so crucial. Let me take.
My grandma always say, I must be skeptical, cause we are living in this time, which is so crucial. Take some time to know your friend. You have to take some time.
Take some time to know my friend. Then I'll take some time, oh lots of time. Take some time to know my friend. Let me take some time, hey, come on. Take the time. The time to know my friends. Take some time to know my friends. Let me take some time, day. Oh no, take some time to know my friends. I have to take some time, boy. Call away. Not because you are rich, oh boy, and pop up inches for you. You try to turn your face away. Me, you, I try ignore. I will take some time to know my friend. Let me take some time, and I gotta take some time. Gotta take some time, oh yeah. Gotta take some time, boy. Gotta take some time to know my friend. Take some time to know my friend. They wanna see me take some time. So, peace and love I'll never find, because I'm living in a perilous time. Think sometime if the world is blind, oh my God, just to get us in line. Sometime, but it takes some time. Can me take some time, boy. Yes, some time, yeah. Know your friend, ooh, they see your friend, so gotta take the time, yeah, just to remind boy. You gotta take some time, boy. Open your eyes if you're blind. Let me say, take some time to know your friend. Have to take some time, ooh, take some time to know your friend.
Take some time to know your friends. My grandma always say, I must be skeptical, so, 'cause we are living in this time, which is so crucial. My gosh, be skeptical of who you call a friend, because we're living in some crucial time. And everyone is about themselves. Mainly, everyone is about what they can get. Right? So don't fret. It's just where we are. So nobody just stick a bet. Okay? Nobody fret. Take some time to know your friends. Take some time and everything will cool. Seeing? Yes, that was Pinchers. And we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under this musical spell. And we shall continue with this Pinchers tribute. Take some time to know your friend.